Welcome to our guide on how to download and install the widely acclaimed game, Elden Ring. Let's explore what makes this game so popular among gamers. Before diving into the downloads, let's check out the system requirements you'll need for PC, PlayStation, and Xbox to ensure a smooth gaming experience. To download Elden Ring on your PC, head over to Steam. Simply search for the game, click Add to Cart, complete your purchase, and you're ready to go. For PlayStation users, navigate to the PlayStation Store. Search for Elden Ring, purchase it, and then click Download to start installing. Xbox users can easily find Elden Ring in the Xbox Store. Purchase the game and hit the Install button to begin your journey. Once installed, it's time to set up the game. Join me as we go through the initial setup steps for Steam, PlayStation, and Xbox. After your initial installation, it's important to keep your game updated. Here's how to check for updates on each platform. If you encounter issues while downloading or installing Elden Ring, don't worry. Here are some common problems and how you can solve them. Congratulations! You're now ready to embark on your epic journey in Elden Ring. Dive into a world of adventure and mystery